Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like tabulas or live things from your Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So if you see something like that when trying to visit inside, just the spamming pop-ups or something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show the first method. Open the settings, then go to the apps and services and tap on the apps. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it and click on install. Tap on the OK and go back to the app list. Now look for your web browser. Then tap on the storage and choose clear data. Tap on the OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So go to the App Store and App Gallery and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. And in this application, tap on the continuous free, start scan and allow permission. Tap on the turn on the switcher, go back to the app and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the unwanted softwares should be removed from your phone. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.